And I just can't stop thinking about all my life to be. Please understand. Hello everyone, Kayla here. Today I'm going to make a video all about deep conditioning, when you should do it, formulations, how long should you do it for, so does it really make a difference if you deep condition overnight? We're going to be talking about that and probably a little bit more in today's video. It's best to deep condition on wet hair after you have shampooed because hair is negatively charged. Shampoo is also negatively charged, so it further brings out that negative charge in hair, and then conditioners are positively charged. So negative and positive attract, and therefore the deep conditioner or conditioner that you are using bonds to the hair surface and is added onto the surface after everything has been removed. Now, if you absolutely have to deep condition on dry hair or deep condition before shampooing, I've done it in the past due to different lifestyle things, being in college, and I don't know your life. It might be where you just need to deep condition on dry hair. If you have to do that, your best bet is to go with an oil-based deep conditioner because oil and water do not mix, so your hair is dry, therefore the oil has a better chance of getting into your hair. After you get back around to shampooing your hair, you're gonna still need to follow that with some sort of conditioner, whether that be an instant conditioner or something, because as I said before, the negative and positive charges make it to where the product would bond to your hair, but then you're going to remove it when you shampoo, and then you're gonna have nothing on your hair. So you wanna restore, that's the word, you wanna restore whatever you've taken off of your hair by adding a conditioner. So for me, that sounds like you're adding extra product, extra money, extra steps, but if your lifestyle is one to where deep conditioning after shampooing is just not gonna work for you, I understand, okay? We got science solutions for you. The difference between instant conditioners and deep conditioners is very, very slight. Products marketed as deep conditioners tend to have water, aloe vera, and fatty alcohols and penetrating oils like coconut and olive oil higher towards the top of the ingredients list. Now, instant conditioners tend to have those ingredients too, but they may have only a few of those ingredients, or they may be further spaced out on the ingredients list. And of course, if something is further down the ingredients list, then there's just not as much of that particular ingredient in the formulation of that product. So in theory, yes, you could probably add coconut or olive oil to a conditioner and then turn it into a deep conditioner. I don't recommend that because when you're being a mixtress doing your own thing, you're not formulating something in a way that works best with the hair. You're just kind of throwing it together. And also you are increasing your risk for having buildup by adding the straight up oils in a high concentration to an instant conditioner, just by the deep conditioner. It takes hair 18 minutes to become fully saturated with water. This same concept can be applied to deep conditioner. If you're deep conditioning over about 20 minutes, it's not really going to add anything to your hair. Your hair is going to absorb what it's going to absorb, and that's it. So deep conditioning overnight and all these things that people do, it doesn't really help to further condition your hair. If anything, you have a higher chance of having hair that has buildup, and then you end up with this like overly soft feeling hair, which people are really into over-conditioned hair, but over-conditioned hair does not mean that your hair is healthy. Deep conditioner works primarily by binding to the surface of your hair. This is a reaction. Science class 101, and I should know because I'm in science class every day from morning to afternoon, 5 days a week, okay? Anyway, reactions are sped up with heat. So you're gonna wanna deep condition with heat because it speeds up that surface binding that the conditioner is doing. Some options that you have, you can use a heating cap. I personally use a hot head cap. It's a cap that's filled with flax seeds and you microwave it. I like the mobility that it offers me. And then another option is that you could use a hooded hair dryer. I have a soft bonnet and a hard bonnet dryer. The hard bonnet dryer is actually right here. I usually like crop the video just enough to edit out the hair dryer. Let me roll it over here. It's on wheels. Okay, so something like this is an option. And then you can also use a soft bonnet dryer. I have one of those as well. I keep it in another closet somewhere. It's a dryer that I used before I had this. And then for a while, for whatever reason, despite this being set up in here, my husband was using the soft bonnet hair dryer to dry his wash and goes, you know, back when he had hair, since he shaved it all. Hopefully this video was educational, informational, and helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a comment down below and give this video a thumbs up and share it with your natural friends. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.
We'll be right back.